this is Hui. I'm a founder of the SparkLand and SparkLand platform. I'm going to show you how you can join the Developer Hub on the SparkLand. So the first thing is, how do you discover? So there's a public space, and we call that, you can choose the bottom at the first button at the bottom, and then you can see the public Spark feed and then the public hubs. So public hubs means the people are willing to share their posts, and then hubs and invite others to engage. So next is the second button called My Space, which is inside of that you can create your own hubs, your Sparks in a private or collective fashion. So here's the 4 tabs we kind of organized for you. We do not have a search functionality yet, but hopefully we can add that quickly. And then very simple to join the hub. Just click that and you can join the hub. And then swipe left and right. Inside of the hub, you can see home view. Here's a button for home view. So home view is a place for all of us to engage content in the social way. So in order to view somebody's post, just simply select the item and then hit the click. So next, we're going to go through how to invite people to join your hub. Because hubs can be private or collective or public. So in the public time, you can people will see your hub, so they're self-onboarding. But for private or collective hub, you have to invite others. So if you're inside of the hub, choose the members and you hit the invite, which is you allow people, you basically invite members or players. We have 3 types of hubs. One called Fly Solo, another called Fly Together, and third one called Be Human. Fly Solo is just you and yourself there, and then to organize your learning, your work in your contents, and of course your contents. But for Fly Together Hub is basically you invite others to be a player, and then for Be Human hubs is you invite others to join your hub as members. And then when you hit the invite, you can just add multiple users. Right now, we only support user handles on this platform. Down the road, we can add more functionalities, which is you can have one click to invite others by email or other ways. So third, we're going to go through how to create your own posts. On your mobile, you can just simply hit the middle button. This is kind of like your central place to access your creation. So you hit the create a Spark post, which is on your left, and then you create a hubs, which is on your right. Once for example, you create your post, very simple. You just specify your title, subtitle, and then body of the text. It can be small, big. We don't have any limitation yet, but this can be used for micro-blogging or even for essay-based blog. And then you can choose this button here to switch between text and cover. For Spark posts, you don't need a lot of medias, but yes, we can support multiple medias down the road, but we like to give one Spark post besides text, a little bit visual. So you can add one image or one video, and then forget about all of the fancy design, just be elegant in that. And then after that, you can hit the post, which is go through the saving and then post, like sharing procedure. So the first thing you can choose whether you wanted to save as private or you save as a public. If you hit the button save as a public, means that your post will be, of course, saving to your MySpace, but you also allow sharing to the public feed. And here is about how you want to invite others to engage with you more. For example, you may want to looking for people to join your discussion, brainstorming, research, and others. So just if you have an extra need, you can pick the activity type, and then the platform will indicate that which activity you're looking for next. And last, we're going to share with you how to co-create inside of Hub. So co-creation means you invite others, you empower others to be a player. So others can co-organize contents together. Down the road, we will add up more functionalities to empower both hosts and players. So here you can co-organize the sections. You can co-organize the posts as the beginning. And this feature is only available if you choose Fly Together Hub. So when you add your post into Fly Together Hub, here's all the posts you created, in your private place. You cannot add others' posts. So you can just simply pick the posts you like to add into this hub. When you say add, what you really means you grant the rights or permissions to contribute your posts into other people's hub. And then you can do multi-section. If you want to create a new, just hit the button at the bottom to create a new, or you add existing ones. All right, that's about it. And we hope to see you on SparkLand Developer Hub. And then this is Hui. Happy. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or email. Anything you can find me on the internet. Thank you. Bye-bye.